€5 per hour, it means nearly 400 or 450 in Indian rupees, I guess, right?
Yeah, it's
450,
like,
yeah. So within 1 hour you can earn 450 rupees. So if you are earning like €1,000, so you need to pay €250 for the rent and €100 for the food. So 100 minus 350, you will be left with €650.
650,
Nearly 50,000 in Indian rupees,
yeah,
right?
you can say it's a bit complicated because now after the COVID, doing work permit in Malta is like a bit complicated one.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So आज के इस वीडियो में आई एम इनवाइटिंग वेंकी ब्रो. ये माल्टा से आज रोम आए हैं, तो मैंने सोचा इनसे एक मुलाकात करते, तो मैंने इनवाइट किया और इन्होंने ग्रेटफुली मेरा जो प्रपोजल है वो एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है. सो आज हम इनसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछने वाले हैं, जैसे कि माल्टा में क्या सिचुएशन है, इनका क्या जॉब प्रोफाइल है और क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आगे हो सकती हैं. तो वेंकी ब्रो, कैन यू प्लीज़ इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ वंस?
Yo, hi guys, I'm Venki. Actually, I'm from Andhra से. मेरे को हिंदी तो थोड़ा थोड़ा, बट लेकिन आई कैन गिव यू द ऑल इंफॉर्मेशन व्हाट यू नीड.
हाँ, सो एक्चुअली वेंकी थोड़ा सा हिंदी, साउथ में थोड़ा सा हिंदी का प्रॉब्लम रहता ही है, तो हिंदी में नहीं, बेसिकली इंग्लिश में आज हम लोग वी आर गोइंग टू मेक वीडियो. सो वेंकी, व्हाट्स योर जॉब प्रोफाइल ओवर देयर?
Like at the starting, I was like, I don't have job in Malta at the starting, but if you try for 1 week, you'll definitely get a job there. Actually, I was doing a job as like a cashier in a supermarket. It was really good. You don't feel like you were working in some other supermarket like in India. It's really cool job. It's really good to get a job there.
So how do you feel working in Malta as compared to other countries, as we have lived in Europe, in other countries as well?
Yeah, working in Malta is like next level job. Malta is basically an English country, English based country, so you can survive as you wish. Like you can say like you are staying USA in Europe.
Yes, that is basically right. And the weather, the people over there, how are the people, Maltese people?
Maltese people were very close enough, and they're like your relatives or neighbors. The
Really,
neighbors
when
are
I
very
was in
close.
Malta, at that time, I never felt like that I am outside of my home. They make us feel like home. So they are very good people. And what are the job opportunities like after coronavirus? The market has been very down for now. So what are the opportunities in Malta now? What is the current situation of jobs?
Basically this coronavirus has like dumped everything in Malta, but slowly it is getting recovered, but even I need to say this, even Italy is not covering that much precautions when compared to Malta. Malta is covering every precautions. Malta is taking every precautions of COVID, and doing job now after COVID is like a bit slower, but it was really good.
But I think the market will boom
Slowly,
gradually,
yes,
right?
yes.
It's on the way.
It's on the way. Like now it is like double the time before. It's like now,
Okay.
like every guys.
So you have passed the entire lockdown in Malta, right?
Yeah. I spent my lockdown in Malta only. So I saw that what is the least of the Maltese worth and the highest of the Maltese worth. I saw the both.
Actually, in Malta, the economy is run by the tourist spots, the tourist area. So for now in the lockdown, the tourists were very less, but now they are increasing gradually. The tourists are coming nowadays, so the market is booming. So what do you think? What will be the opportunities after 2 or 3 months or in 2021? Will you suggest the people who are willing to come to Malta, they should come in 2021 or not, or they should hold back for some time?
Yeah, I would definitely suggest the people or the students who wants to like the next step in 2021. They were like, I definitely suggest you to come Malta and do some hard work, and you can earn like around 1,000 or something. How much it will be.
Now let's talk about the salary. I don't want to ask your personal salary, but on an average, how much can a person earn in Malta on an average?
On an average, before and after the COVID, is like around 8 to 10. Sorry, 8 to 1000.
It means he wants to say 800 to 1,000 euros you can easily earn in Malta, even in lockdown or after the lockdown. It's casual. Like €5 per hour is the minimum basic pay, right?
Basic pay is like 5 per hour.
€5 per hour. It means nearly 400 or 450 in Indian rupees, I guess, right?
Yeah, it's
450.
like,
So within 1 hour you can earn 450 rupees. and that's all about the job. And what kind of jobs are available in Malta?
So if you go like professionally, there are a lot of companies over there. But if you want to do a free job, like there is no work stress. There is no there are some jobs like you don't feel to work like very straight. No, nothing like that. You can do the job with like free lifetime. Sorry, free lifestyle. So it was like there are a lot of jobs like
I think gaming sector is quite
is
boom.
like booming. Yeah.
Gaming sector and this the tourism industry over there, right? These two sectors has lot of jobs in Malta, especially like software engineers you can apply in Malta. And regarding the living expenses, what do you suggest? Like how much rent do you pay? How much is the food expenses?
The basic, normal. I stay with my friend. We are only two of people. We took one small apartment of 1 bedroom, 1 kitchen, one like very small. It was like 400 per month with excluding bills. We need to pay the bills extra.
Okay.
So the basic pay was basic month rent is like around 200. If you take like big house with more friends, it will be 250.
Okay, so 250 euros per month,
Per
you
month.
could say, right? And what about the food expenses?
Yeah,
Does
food
it include
expense-
food expenses or
No.
Okay.
It's only for the rent. Malta is like it's like a big city.
Big city,
Big
yeah.
city. Like it's overall like full of money, everything. So it includes so high lifestyle and high something. So,
So it will, for Indians, how much it will cost? Food expenses?
for
Nearly
Indians,
100?
100. It depends, but for us it will be 100, 120, 130. 135 is the maximum per month.
Alright, so if you are earning like 1000 euros, so you need to pay 250 euros for the rent and 100 euros for the food. So 100 minus 350, you will be left with 650 euros.
650,
Nearly 50,000 in Indian rupees,
Yeah,
right?
You can save.
So
around
that's how you
500.
can save 50,000 and it is the basic pay that we have discussed about, like 1000 euros or 800 euros is the minimum pay in Malta, right?
Yeah, it's minimum.
Yeah, it's minimum. So I think that's all about today. Do you
Yeah.
want to suggest anything to the viewers? First of all, I would like to thank you so much to share your views for this topic. And do you want to suggest anything to our viewers?
I personally suggest you whether you straight away come to Malta and do some hard work. You need to do hard work first. Without your hard work, there is nothing will come.
You know the process, the filing of the process, applying work permit from Malta, and
Yeah, it's a bit complicated because now after the COVID, doing work permit in Malta is like a bit complicated one. But we can try. If you have one good employer, you definitely have this work permit.
all right, sorry. So I think that's enough for today. Thank you, Vanki. Thank you so much. And
Please like, share, subscribe. Dreams.
thank you so much. Have a good day.